Welcome back to AriserTalent, my dear student. We are studying mathematics. I'm your teacher, Arpita Sharma. Okay, students, now we were studying which chapter? Area related to circles, right? So, starting with the name, writing name here, areas related to circles. Okay, students, so what were we talking about? We were doing some questions that are based on composition of more than one or more than two or many types of sections or areas in a particular question. There was some combination of figures like students. So, we'll be moving forward to this question. Okay, now this is the question. A radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the area of the two circles. Okay, students. So, what this question is saying to you? Okay, try to understand. It's having radii of two circles. 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. It's not given. They are concentric or they are intersecting each other. So, we are having one circle. That is C1 and that is C2. The C1 is having a radius and this radius is, let's suppose, 6 centimeter, and I'm having the C2 circle. It's not looking like one. Okay, so I'm having this C2 circle, right, and its radius is 8 centimeters. Now it's saying that the radius of this circle. Now I have to find the radius of another circle having area equal to the sum of area of these two circles. So I am having this one C1 circle and I am having this C2 circle. Now I have to find out a circle, not that circle but the radius of the circle whose area is equals to what? Sum of this C1 and this C2. Okay, so this radius R, I will suppose this radius as capital R is to be found. Right or wrong? Right. Okay. So, what I gonna do? I'll be finding this and the summation, and that will be equals to what? This. So, I can easily find out the radius here. So, okay. Now, we will apply the same concept that we have understood here. That is your solution part, students. Or I can write the given things first. What you have given? You have given, as I have told you here, the circle C1 is there and circle C2 is there. So, radius of circle C1 equals to R1 and that's given what? Let's 6 centimeter. Now, again, radius of circle C2 equals to R2 equals to what given? 8 centimeters. Right. Now, what we have to find? So, to find is, let's suppose this is C1, this is C2 and this is some circle C. Okay. So, radius of circle C equals to R, that is what? Okay, so we have to find out the radius of circle C. Now, solution part, we know that C1 area, or I can write area of C1 plus area of C2 equals to what? Area of C. This is given. Area of C. This is what? Given. Why it's given? Because here it's telling you that the area equal to the sum of the area of two circles. So, here it is given. Okay. So, I am picking this here, this from there. Okay. That implies area of C1. Area of any circle is equals to what? Pi r square. Now, pi is pi and r. Radius for first circle is r1. So, it will be what? Pi r1 square plus pi area of C2 circle pi r2 square. Simple students. No, now that will be equals to what? Area of C. That will be pi capital R. We have assumed this radius pi r square. Right. So, what we're gonna do? We can just cancel out this pi's and we will be now putting the values of R1 and R2 from this, which are given. Okay. So, with no time, we'll be putting the values here, students. So, that will be what? 6 square plus 8 square equals to R square. Now, looking familiar with this equation, what will you get from there? R equals to 10, and let's solve this. Okay, that will be 36, that will be 64, that will be R square. So, this implies that R square will be equals to what? This plus this equals to what? Nothing but 100. So, value of R will be equals to what? 10. Okay, students, this is simple to understand. Now, this is what you have asked about. So, this is your answer, my dear students. So, the radius of the circle whose area is equals to the area of these two circles will be equals to what? 10 centimeter. Now, you can cross check it. Just find out the area of this circle and find out the area of this circle. Okay, you have given with the radius, so you can easily find out the area, and the area that will you find out will be equals to what? Area of the circle, that is 10 centimeters. So, you can also satisfy yourself by proving it. Okay, students, so just note it so that we can move forward to the next question. Okay, students, hoping that you have noted it. I'll be moving to the next question. Okay, just rub this first. That was interesting question, isn't it? So, if you are having radius of two circles, so I can have that area. Okay, this area will be equals to this area question. Okay, so now I'm coming to that questions also. This question is the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. Okay, so two wheels are there. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 km per hour? Okay, students, this is the question. Okay, students, so our next question is find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Right, students? So, here I am having a circle which is given to the question. Okay, and I have to find out only quadrant. This portion I have to find out, right? This shaded portion. Now, it's saying of a circle whose circumference is given. Now, circumference is what? 22 centimeter, right? So, this circumference is given what? 22 centimeter. Now, what is circumference? Circumference is nothing but 2 pi r. Okay. So, we have to find out the area of a quadrant. First, the question arises that do we know the formula of quadrant of a circle? So, quadrant, any parts, quadrant is what? 1/4 of that particular area. So, what will we do? Simple. In the solution part, okay, what will I say that area of this quadrant of a circle to a circle equals to what? 1/4 area of circle. Now, area of circle you know, right, which is what? 1/4, and area of circle is pi r square. Okay. Now, are you having this r here? No, you are not having r here. So, what will you do? You will find out r first. Now, what you are given? Given 2 pi r equals to circumference, right, and which is equals to what given? See, 22 centimeters. So, what does that mean? That isn't it 2 pi r equals to 22 centimeter? From there you can find, you have not specified any value of pi here, so that you will be having 22/7 here. Okay, r equals to 22. Now, what will you do? That will cancel out from each other, so that will be 2 here and 7 there. That will be give you what? 3.5 centimeter as your radius. Now you are having radius, so you can find the area of quadrant circle. Okay, so area of quadrant of circle to a circle, not to a circle, to that circle, to given circle equals to 1 by 4 pi, I am just directly putting the value of pi here, r square, r is what? 3.5 multiplied by 3.5 square, isn't it? So 10 here, so how can I cut it? 5 times, and this 2 times, and this 11 times. Okay, what I have left with? I have left with this 11 and this 35, 3.5. So 11, that will be 35, and here also 35. So that will be what? 8, that will be 38.5. Okay, so 38.5 here. Anything remaining there? No. And by 4. So can I sort it out? 38.5 by 4, 9 times 36, 2, 20 times 25.6 times 24, 1, 0, then 2 times 8, 2, then 5 times. So can I say 9.625 watt centimeter square? Okay, so always remember to use units there. Okay, so this is your what? Answer to this question, isn't it, students? Right? Okay, so just note it. So we can move forward to the next question, students. Okay, right? Okay, students. So next question is, you are provided with the chord of a circle. Chord of a circle, okay. Radius 15 centimeter, subtended an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Okay, so here you are given with a chord, and you have to find out the major and minor segment areas, their areas of that circle. So again we are having a different question of segments. Okay, so we will see how much we can recall from our learnings. Okay, so a chord of a circle. So this is circle. This is circle, right? Now it's having a chord. So if it's having a chord, what will that be? I'll be having any 2 points there. If this is my circle and this is center, so it's having a chord here, so I can have any chord here, but the angle subtended the angle of 60 degree. So 60 degree, approximately 60 degree. So I'll be drawing, this is 90, so somewhat that will be 60 degree. This is 60 degree. So this will be the chord, and this chord length is given what 15 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter given, right, students? Now this is 15 centimeter and this is 60 degree. This is given. Okay, so take a point A and B here and take a point O here, and for our convenience we will be having a point C there. Alright, now major and minor segments of circle we have to find. We have to use pi equals to 3.14 here. So we are not going to use pi equals to 22 by 7 because here we are having a value, and root 3 equals to 1.73. Just remember this value. You can use these values if they are even not given. Okay. Now what I had, that if I talk about the solution part, students, right? So what I'm having, that if I talk about area of segment, which segment? Minor segment. If I talk about the minor segment area, so what is the area of segment? we understood this area of this complete circle, this complete sector minus the area of this triangle, and then we find out that this area of this triangle will be sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 r square. That was 2 sin theta by 2, okay, and that was cos theta by 2. So multiplied by r both sides, so ultimately it became sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 r square, okay, and minus this complete sector. This sector's formula was what? Theta 360 multiplied by pi r square. When I am talking about area, I will be doing pi r square here, okay. So that I done. Now what I have done, that I have common this r square there, and I got with this formula over there. Right or wrong? Note this formula. So noting out the formula here, okay, so this is the formula we have got. Now area of minor segment is nothing but this formula. Now we have given with the theta, so we can have this theta 60 degree here and 360 here multiplied by pi. Now pi's value is given 3.15 and 9. Now I am having sin theta by 2. Now sin theta by 2 is what? Sin 60 by 2, that will be sin 30. Same for cos theta, that will be cos theta here, cos 30 degree, and completely multiplied by r square. So I have given the r equals to 15 centimeter. Okay. Okay students, here's some mistake. I am not having this length. Okay, I have provided with the radius only. So this is 15 centimeter. Right. So what I will be doing, I will be putting 15 here multiplied by 15. Now talking about solving this, this will cut by this and this will cut by this 6 times. So that will be 3.15 by 6 minus sin 30. 0, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will be the value of sin 30 and cos 30. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 will be the value of cos 30. Root 3 by 2 here. Okay. Right. So that will be here and that will be 15 multiplied by 15 here. Now when will I take the LCM? That is 6, that is 4. So I can take the LCM like this. Okay, 2, 3 times, 2 times, 2 again, 1 time, 3 again, 1, 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12 is LCM here. Now 2 times, 2 multiplied by 3.15 by 6 root 3 minus 6 root 3, isn't it? And 15 multiplied by 15. Okay, so that will be what? $625, right? Okay students, so can I cut this by 12? 5 times 60 and 2. No, I can't cut it by. Okay students, so what will I do? I'll have to cut it from here. I can cut it. That will be 3 and that will be what? That will be 6. Okay students, I have cut it by 2 on these both sides. So that will be cut it by 2 6 times and that will be 3 times. Okay, so that will be 3.15 minus 3 multiplied by which value? 1.73 divided by 6 and 625. So can I solve it here, this portion, or I can write it here. Okay, that will be 3.15 minus 3 multiplied by 1.73. So that will be 9, 21, 5. So that will be 5.19, 625. Okay. Okay students, so this is our question. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Okay, so what is saying, if this is center and this is the circle, so it's saying it's having a radius of 15 centimeter. Okay, so this is 15 centimeter at an angle of 60 degree. So it's having an angle of 60 degree, right? So that will be also what? 15 centimeter. Now it's saying that the area of the, to find the area of the corresponding angle, it's having area, angle 60, okay. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Use pi equals to 3.14 and root 3 equals to 1.73. So here it comes with this AB chord. Okay, now we have to find this area. Now this is O. So recalling the formula for area of minor segment, area of minor segment equals to what, student? Equals to pi by 360, theta by 360, pi minus sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2 multiplied by r square. So this is the formula here. Okay, so we will be just putting the values of theta equals to 60 degree and this is 360. This is 3.14 given. Sin theta by 2 is what? Sin 30 and cos theta by 2 is cos 30. Okay. Multiplied by r square, which is given 15 square. Okay. Now this will be what? 6. So 1 by 6 multiplied by 314 minus sin 30. Now sin 30's value is what? 1 by 2 and cos 30's value is root 3 by 2. Now root 3's value is given 1.73 by 2 completely multiplied by 15 square and the value of 15 square is 225. Okay, so I will write 225 here. Now what will happen? It is 3.14. Okay, so it will be divided by 6, or I can do one thing, I can take this common 1 by 2 here. So 1 by 2, 1 by 3 multiplied by 3.14, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's not divisible by 3 minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 1.73 and this by 225 here. Okay, so that will be 225 by 2. Now this will be 6. Okay, now 3.14 multiplied by 2 will be 628, 6.28 minus 3 multiplied by 1.73 will give you 9, 21, 5. So that will be 5.19, 5.19 by 6. So what I can do, I can just minus them. This 6.28 minus this 5.19 will give you what? 9 here, 0 here and 1 here. Okay, 1.09. Okay, so that will be what? 225 multiplied by 1.09 divided by 6 and here by 2. So I can just write this 225, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it can be cut by 3. Okay, so 3 2s are 6 and 3, 7, 21, 1, 15. Okay, 75. Right. So now can I cut it further? No. So that will be 1.09 multiplied by 75. 45 here, 5 here, 63 here and 7 here. So that will be 5, 7 and 8175 here. So 8175 and here decimal divided by 4. So can I write this here and divide it by 4? What will it give to me? 2 times 8. So 0 and 1 here, 0 here, then 7. Okay, now 16, then 1, 12, and 3, 0, 7. So can I stop it here and just write the approximate value equals to 20.437. Okay, students. So this is the value of what? The minor segment. Okay. Now area of minor segment is this. Area of minor segment is this. You can write the first answer here, answer 1. Okay. Now what is the area of minor segment? Okay. And the major segment. So what will the major segment? Right. This is your particular, this sector is your minor segment and this complete will be your major sector. Right. So the complete circle's area minus this area will be equals to what? Major circle's area. So I am writing it there. I am rubbing this. This was what? Minor segment area. Right. Now students, area of major circle, major segment equals to what? Area of circle minus area of what? Area of minor segment. Now area of circle is simply pi r square minus 20.437. Now pi is 3.14 here and r is 15, square is 225 minus 20.437. So can I just multiply 225 by 3.14? Okay, so what will it be? 20, 10, 9, then 5, 2, 2, then 15, 7, 6. So that will be 0, 5, 16, 10, 7. Okay. So that will be 706 minus 50, and if you minus 20.437 from that, so what will it become? 3 here, 6 here, 0 here, 6 here and 8 here, 6 here. So that will be 686.03 centimeter square here and centimeter square here. So this will be your minor segment areas and major segment area. Okay, students. So note this question so we can move further. Right. Okay, students, so next question we are having this. This is a brooch is made with silver, right, in the form of a circle with diameter 35. Okay, so 35 mm. The wires are also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These 10 sectors. Now, find out the total length of the silver wire required, the area of each sector of the brooch. Now, what is saying? The brooch is made with silver, right? This is silver, not silver, right? This is silver wire. So, is correct it? This is silver wire here in the form of a circle. Okay, the circle and with diameter 35 mm, the wire is also used in making 5 diameters, right, which divide the circle into these diameters, right, into 10 equal sectors as shown in figure. So, you have to find the total length of silver wire required. So, basically all the periphery, all the circumference, right, the area of each sector of the brooch, and then you have to find out the area. Now, what will we do? We'll discuss this question in our next lecture, and it looks like so interesting. So, what you have to do? You have to try it on your own. So, I am lefting this for you for our next lecture. Students, till then, take care. Thank you.